Hello guys, this is Taskbe and today I'm going to show you how to use estimate. So here is the menu like clients and there is sub menu for the estimate master. Once you click on the estimate master, you will be redirected to the estimate list. Here you can see the estimate list which is added by the client and also the button for the add estimate. Once you click on the add estimate, you will be redirected to the form for the add estimate. Here is the multiple fields. Some are the mandatory and some are the optional. So let's add the new estimate. From here you can select the client. Also you have to select the contact. And this is the job ID which is for which you want to generate the estimate. So I'm selecting the job ID, like select job, and the estimate number is auto generated. There is no need to select or edit it. Here is the date for the estimate, and here is the purchase reference. So just let me write some description. Also you can add multiple items or like task with description, rate or quantity. So first of all you have to select the quantity or hours. So let me select the quantity, hour. Here you have to write the rate and the hour, like how many hours you have worked. And here is the text. So here you can see the subtotal and the total for the estimate, and also you can select or browse something like attachment like billing receipts and something like that. And once you click on the save, the estimate will be added. Here you can see the new added estimate. So for that you can edit, delete, or show PDF for that, and also send it to the client. So the PDF looks like that. Once you click on the PDF send to the client, the PDF will be mailed to the particular client. Also you can edit the estimate like here you can see when I edit the rate, the total and subtotal will be is changed. Once you click on the save, the estimate will be deleted. And also you can delete the estimate from here. Once you click on the remove, the estimate will be deleted from the list. You can see the message like estimate successfully deleted, and there is the successfully deleted. Thanks.